Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the earbuds and case have charge. Plug them in for 30 to 60 minutes if needed. Once done, open the case and keep it near your phone so Bluetooth can detect the device quickly. You press and hold the power/pairing button for 2 to 3 seconds until the LED flashes. This initiates pairing mode. Make sure to accept any pairing prompts on your phone. This establishes the secure connection that lets you stream audio and receive calls without delay. You next focus on fit and controls because sound and stability depend on them. Once you insert the correct ear tips, twist gently to seal. A proper fit improves bass and noise isolation. Make sure to practice the tap and hold gestures to play, pause, skip tracks, and summon your voice assistant. This saves fumbling mid-run. Then install the JBL app to fine-tune EQ and install firmware updates. These updates patch bugs and improve battery life, so make sure to apply them when prompted. You finish by using the earbuds during activity and caring for them afterward. Once you start your session, check battery percentage in the app and choose single bud or stereo mode depending on safety needs. After the run, return buds to the case to conserve power and wipe contacts dry to prevent corrosion. If you encounter no sound or connection drop, reset both buds by holding the buttons for about 10 seconds, then repair. This simple reset clears most pairing or firmware glitches and gets you back.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.